In this video I'll show you how to get Instagram profile link. But before we start, if you appreciate me making a video just like this, just go ahead and give me a like. Each like helps a lot. And if you want to see more helpful videos just like this, subscribe. Okay, first step to get Instagram profile link is go on your Instagram, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and then what you need to do here is to get your name at the top left. For example, my name is TI Social 21, and then close the Instagram app and open your browser. Tap on the search bar, and what you need to do is type instagram.com, and now you have to type slash, and now type your Instagram name like TI Social 21, and then press go or enter. After that, tap on the search bar and copy this URL. Next, go to notes and paste this URL here. And this is your Instagram profile URL. And that's all. If this video helped you out, please give me a like and also subscribe if you're new. And if you have any questions around the video, comment in the section down below. Bye.